Well, spring has sprung, and that means so have the plants and the weeds.
Yes, and we're talking this morning with our vet expert, Dr. Jill, about which plants are toxic and which ones are actually beneficial for your pets. Dr. Jill, let's start off with the toxic ones. What do people need to keep their pets away from?
Well, you know, there's all sorts. There's ornamentals, there's trees, shrubs, all kinds of things. So, you know, look at these beautiful flowers here. They can be really toxic to your pets. Also, in the yard, it's springtime, even though the weather's going to get cold again. People don't realize things like sago palms are actually really toxic to your pets, and azaleas. And here's the kicker. English ivy can be really toxic too. So watch out for those plants you have in your yard.
Yeah, and I noticed some of those on that table, if we pan back down, some of those lovely flowers, are those lilies?
Lilies. Lilies are toxic to pets, can cause liver disease, kidney disease. You really want to make sure to keep your cats, especially, they like to chew on the little ferns and things away. This is a member of the onion family, and so you want to keep anything in the onion family, keep them away from pets. People grow them in their yard, and the kitties like to chew on them, and they can cause aplastic anemias.
That little one with the yellow flowers, that's part of the onion family?
That's a daffodil.
Yes, isn't that beautiful?
Yeah, isn't it?
Yeah, it's gorgeous.
Gorgeous.
It's hard to imagine that it's toxic for the animals, and I know you were saying the lilies are toxic, and I mean, my kitty cat loves to chew on flowers. And if I were to bring that home, I mean, would she? What kind of symptoms would I have to see to know that she had gotten a hold of something bad?
Well, you know, acting lethargic, vomiting is a big, huge indicator, diarrhea, just kind of laying around, looking yellow, pale yellow as jaundice. Some of these plants can cause liver disease. If they're not urinating or if they're drinking a ton of water, those are some symptoms to watch out for.
And that's kind of hard to detect right now because it is so warm. But Dr. Jill, I was wondering, do animals generally, are they drawn to these plants, or do they generally know how to stay away from them?
Well, some animals are drawn to them. I have some supplements that I put out here on the table that are really great. I love this one, granular greens. I mean, how much better can it get? You can put greens on their food now. Or, you know, I like my crock pot recipes. RX Essentials, Standard Process makes a whole body support. I mean, all these are great additives to give your pet the necessary greens and fiber that they need to digest their food without eating plants.
So that way they won't go looking for it? Is that what you're saying?
Right.
Okay.
So, Dr. Jill, are there any plants that are specifically good for kitty cats and puppies?
Yeah, you know, you can plant banana trees are okay, canna is okay, certainly some vegetables. Most vegetables are good, they're fine. Rhubarb is one you want to stay away from. A lot of people plant rhubarb. That's a toxic one. But, you know, for the most part, herbs are okay. You want to stay away from mint. Mint can be rather toxic and really caustic in the mouth as well.
All right, good advice, Dr. Jill. And if you need some pet advice, you can ask Dr. Jill. Just go to her website at drjill.com or give her a call at her mobile vet clinic, 916-989-0733.